Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Fans on the TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Espa 0. I'm joined by Marshall the Bullets.
Hey, Taba Fwetu.
Yeah.
Kabuyelo, Phakamisa 7. I'm the only chairman in the whole world that matters.
Yeah.
Even Chairman Topi Mutsipe knows.
Yeah.
Well, this is the only chairman he can speak to and report to.
The real chairman.
The real chairman. Bafwetu,
I don't know how to speak English.
let me greet you in the name of Mamelodi Sundowns. Amen.
Yeah.
Before I can speak a lot, I want to also congratulate Orlando Pirates fans.
For what?
And Kaizer Chiefs fans. I want to congratulate them for getting an opportunity to at least watch a CAF Champions League final. We are the only ones who can bring the CAF Champions League in South Africa. So congratulations to Orlando Pirates fans, to Kaizer Chiefs fans.
Yes.
This is the only place you can watch the CAF Champions League final.
Not Orlando.
So I want to tell you about something. What? I want to tell you about something. This noise is a lot of pain that is coming from their hearts. They are pained. These people have been drinking painkillers since yesterday. That draw is a problem.
It has them.
That's why they are making noise like rascals.
Yes.
This is Mamelodi Sundowns. This is Pitor. When you come here, you don't make noise when you come here. So now, the problem with a lot of people is that they thought Sundowns is going to lose today.
Yes.
So this anger is not actually miscalculated. It is actually something that we expected. They're not going to come here and congratulate us. They're going to come here and cause havoc and push you and all that. Because where they come from, they are hooligans. But Kibako Hill, bro, like I say. So here, Pitor, and I told you about out of order, Lord. But at the end of the day, let me speak about the game.
Yes, Chairman.
I want to congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns. Since 2016, that's the only final that we didn't concede. We won 3-0. La 4, you remember. This is the second one that we didn't concede. This is a sign that Mamelodi Sundowns is going to win the CAF Champions League.
We win.
So what I want to tell Masandawana, please don't insult the players and the coach. Let's support our team. We have been against referees this season. We have been against a lot of things. 13 goals of Sundowns were disallowed by referees.
Imagine
on this league. You cannot have the audacity to come here and insult anyone, including players. But this team. Mara yalo mudimu nya warifa league. Inaka Sundowns. So thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and congratulations for going to the USA. Thank you.
I appreciate every time, leader. Leader, everything, leadership. Thank you, leader.